gentlemen, welcome. This is Phil Colbridge here, showing you a beautiful, and it's going to be a very hot new listing here in the South Chase area here, just down the street actually from SeaWorld. You have the Ritz-Carlton right across the street. Amidst all the attractions, lots to offer here, especially in this price point. We have a 3-2, plenty of space, completely upgraded. I could go on and on with the list. We're talking about, first of all, the biggest things first. Roof, done yesterday. AC, 2017, in and out. Paint everywhere, okay? New floors, new kitchen, new bathrooms, you name it inside. So if you come take a look inside, you're gonna see we enter the living room, which flows right into the kitchen, nook, with all new fixtures as well. Then we have an extra cove, which could be a little home office area or just extra living space. And then to the right, we have the kitchen, as you can see, fully upgraded, stickers still on the dishwasher, you name it. Good sized backyard as well, overlooking from the inside. And then once we go around the corner, on the left, we have the master bedroom, which has back porch access, which is nice. It adds a lot of light in there with the master bathroom. And then we have the other 2 bedrooms on the front side of the house with their own bathroom at the end. And so tons and tons to offer. As you can see overhead, the area is just very, very centralized, and this house will not last. So come see it soon. Thank you.